3. In this video, I'll show you how to build your first app with Replit Agent from a text prompt. First, sign in to your Replit account and click Create REPL to start a new project. Once your workspace is ready, open Replit Agent from the AI panel. Next, type a detailed prompt describing the application you want to build. Explain the purpose of the app, the features you want, the pages it should include, and any design preferences. The more specific your prompt is, the better the generated application will be. After that, submit your prompt and let Replit Agent generate the project. It will create the application structure, write the code, and configure the necessary files automatically. Review the generated changes and accept them if everything looks correct. Now click Run to launch your application. Test the main features and continue chatting with Replit Agent to fix bugs, improve the design, or add new functionality. You can keep refining your app simply by describing the changes you want. Finally, once you're satisfied with the application, save your project and deploy it using Replit's built-in deployment tools so you can share it with others. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build your first app with Replit Agent from a text prompt. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.